Get ready, Cleveland. Your 2025 summer soundtrack is here and it's about to be epic. This summer, CMSD and its amazing partners have 3 tracks that will keep you learning, growing, and having fun this summer. Track 1 is all about high school students making moves with paid summer job opportunities that build your skills and your future. Track 2 is the 2025 CMSD Summer Learning Experience, and scholars can expect exciting, hands-on programs for kindergarten through 5th grade and high school scholars to keep their minds sharp and curious. And track 3, well, that's when the fun hits max volume with sports, arts, camp, and so much more, thanks to our awesome community partners. Our Summer Soundtrack 2025 is brought to you by CMSD, YOU, Starting Point, the Cleveland Public Library, RTA, the City of Cleveland, and more. Ready to press play on the best summer ever? Your summer soundtrack is waiting. See you this summer.